Hello everyone, Akash here. Many people get really good result with Neo hair lotion, including myself. Especially I was losing my hair around the back, right around here. So I used 2 bottles of Neo hair lotion. It really helped me. I will show you one person lost more than 50% of his hair and he get it back using 3 bottles of Neo hair lotion. Basically he used it for 3 months. And if you're not sure why you're losing hair, email me or reach me through Instagram. Send me your hair picture. This way I could try to help you best of my knowledge. What product may work for you. Also, few important things I'll go through in this video about Neo hair lotion, which not gonna show you in the level. Those are the most common question I'm getting about Neo hair lotion in my channel. So this guy Yusuf from Canada, as you see in the picture, he emailed me after he using Neo hair lotion for 3 months. Before and after picture, now he got his hair back. He wanted to know which hair oil he should use to keep his hair roots strong. So make sure he does not lose the hair again. If you go in my channel playlist for Neo hair lotion, you scroll down in the comment section, you will see many positive review about Neo hair lotion. Those are the people they bought it, they used it, and it really helped them to get their hair back. Especially the people lost 20 or 30% of their hair, they got their hair back just using 2 bottles of Neo hair lotion. Personally myself, I also used 2 bottles and that was good enough for me. Everybody's hair situation different, so if you just use 1 bottle and if you see some improvement, get another bottle and continue it. So some people could be using 2 bottles, they get their hair back, or some people could be using 4 bottles, get their hair back. But make no mistake, if your hair roots no longer there, then highly unlikely any product going to work for you. Not only using Neo hair lotion, using a good hair supplement or using a good hair oil, you have to know which one will be right for your hair. The most common question I get about Neo hair lotion, how could you tell this is original? If you are in USA, you don't have to worry about how could you get original product. You could simply get it through my link. Those vendors are 100% authentic original product they are selling in US market. But if you're outside of USA, if you got yourself a Neo hair lotion, if you're not sure if it's original or not, you could always shoot me an email, send me the picture. I'll tell you exactly if that Neo hair lotion original or not. But few basic things you should look at it before you buying it. Example, the address you will see exactly right here, you see on the screen, this is the address, it should be on the box. Also you're gonna look for GMP certified, that label make sure is there. That's how you could tell this is original. Also it should be showing 120 ml made by Green Wealth. Those 3 things you must check before you buy it. And if you're still not sure about it, you could just shoot me an email with the picture. I'll tell you exactly if it's original or not. Many people also tells me it's really hard to find this Neo hair lotion in certain countries. They tried everywhere, they couldn't find it. Notice in the package there is a phone number on the package. So if you go on the website, you will see that phone number. You could exactly call this customer service Neo hair lotion. If there is any vendor that in your area selling it or not. So one of my viewer, he lives in Rajasthan, India, right? So he was trying to get this Neo hair lotion, he couldn't find anywhere. So what he did, he called this customer service phone number for original Neo hair lotion. They told him there is a vendor in Rajasthan that he could call and he could get the Neo hair lotion, and that's how he got it. So it doesn't matter which country you are, if you're having hard time to find it, sometimes people sell it on Facebook page. Like I said, you check those things, make sure it's original, and you could get it like that. Or you could call this customer service and they'll tell you if there is any vendor selling in your area. So this way you know you're gonna get original product. And if you're using Neo hair lotion, I will strongly recommend you to use a good hair oil. You could use it about like 2 to 3 times a week overnight, the hair oil. This way your hair root gonna get so strong. When you wake up in the morning, you're not gonna see any hair fall, or when you're taking shower, you're not gonna see any hair fall because of using that good hair oil. If you go in my channel playlist called hair oil, you'll find many good detailed video about hair oil that you personally could use it. Again, if you're not sure which one for your hair, you could always email me. This way I could personally help you. Every single hair oil that I personally reviewed in this channel is 100% organic hair oil. Before you using any products, okay, Neo hair lotion, hair oil, or any product, you have to ask this question to yourself. Why do you think you're losing hair? Because of stress, because of poor nutrition, or some other reason? You have to ask yourself this question. You have to know why you're losing hair, or maybe you're using harsh chemical on your hair, or some other reason. You have to know. Everyone's situation could be different, and don't think this way that this person used this product and worked on him and I'm gonna use the same product is gonna work on me. Like I said, everybody's situation is different, so one product not gonna work for everybody. That's why it's very important to know why you're losing your hair. Before you go online and buy any products, reach out to me. This way I could help you one-on-one what product will be best for your hair. You have to love using a good hair supplement or using a good hair oil. And next 6 months you got your hair back, then what should you do? At that point, you don't need Neo hair lotion anymore. You don't need hair supplement anymore. You just have to eat healthy at that point and just use a good hair oil once a week from that point. And if you continue taking care of yourself, love yourself, then you don't need anything. Your body is your wealth, so take good care of it. So don't be shy. Many people do reach out to me every week with Instagram or through email. So go in my channel playlist and you'll see those hair supplement, hair oil, and many other serum and everything. Anything that you're not sure, just reach out to me. Hope this video was helpful to you. Many good video you'll find in my channel. Consider subscribe to my channel. Take